coming back into the ring, Hillbilly Hooligan.
Yeah! Woo!
And his opponent is Mario El Lucha.
Oh no, man. That's a new one.
What's the new guy here?
We gotta see
Never
what's
seen
going
him.
on.
We gotta see what he's all about.
I am Mario El Lucha. I am here to take down all of NCW. Any challenges, come at me anytime. I will beat Hillbilly Hooligan.
Alright. Let this match begin right now.
Time to start running your mouth, man.
Come on, Hooligan!
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Come on, Hooligan!
1.
Tell this newbie he's a newbie! Tell this newbie he's a newbie! Tell this newbie why he shoot me! Get him, Hillbilly Hooligan, get him! Come on, Hooligan! Yeah! Woo! Yeah!
1, 2, 3.
Hooligan!
Winner, Hillbilly Hooligan.
Much respect.
We'll be watching you.
What are you talking?
The end will be heard next week. For Hillbilly Hooligan. Like and share and subscribe.